Welcome to our GAT Shield overview playlist. This is our overview of the Domain Classroom subsection. This area allows you to quickly find information about your domain's classrooms in a table view that you can adjust to suit your needs. By default, you will be given a view of all classrooms in your domain. You can add multiple views by selecting the New View button. With this option, you can create a different table of information, in essence allowing you to quickly switch between different types of data regarding your classrooms. For example, I could have a view for all the classrooms owned and taught by one of my teachers. The drop-down arrow next to the New View button can be used to add views that you've previously created. You can also delete any views you've made. The main view table will list the classroom name, description, section, teachers, students, join code, their state and owner. You may also view the classroom's student or teachers using these two options. You may notice that some of these categories have a black drop-down arrow. This indicates multiple results. You can show them by clicking the arrow. Above the table, you can see the quick filters. These options will allow you to quickly create a filter using a classroom name, section, and state. You can add more quick filters by clicking the More button here. From the list, you can choose to filter with the classroom ID, description, teachers, students, join code, when the classroom was created or updated, and its owner. For more advanced filters, you can select the Advanced Filter icon, allowing you to create more complex rules with and/or, and n/or conditions, as well as create rules with inner rule groups. You can also import and export any filters you've created using this option. In this example, I can check what classrooms have been made after January 1st, 2025, that also have the teacher Paul Thomas. To clear any filter, you can select Clear All. You can adjust your user interface for a more compact or spacious view using this option, as well as add or hide columns of data using the Column Visibility option. You can also maximize the screen as well as reset the table to its default settings or reload the data being presented. And that covers the Domain Classroom section for my domain. Our next video will cover the user summary area of the reporting section.